Hello, Jonathan, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So first of all, I actually noticed that you are in the process of building your website, so well done for that. So hopefully this information comes in handy now. So let's start with the Google search. I came in here and I type in hardscape in Orlando, which is one of the buyer intent keywords. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads quickly. The second section is the Google Business Profile. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, so it's what you need to do to rank here. You actually need optimized and geotag pictures. You need reviews, and Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those in your Google Business Profile. They have to be identical for them to count. And Google will give you Google will need verify those details, and then it will give you credits, and then you will be able to rank and grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, you first need a website that is safe, that is responsive. That means that it loads below 1 second and with the right content. And then you need something that we call backlinks. So let's start with these two companies. So for example, their website here, you can see that they have the click to call button. They have the request a quote. They have a description of the services that they provide. And just notice that this is the landing page for hardscaping. And overall, they have a description, the website directory, then they have links to your social media accounts. They have 644 words in that particular landing page. And another competitor is Royal Landscape Nursery. These guys have 696 words. So just bear in mind those numbers, because that's something that you want to beat them out, and you want to be optimized for Google. Ideally, you want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words so that Google can find you for the relevant keywords, and you can and then if you build your backlink profile, then you will be able to rank at the top. So let's come back here. We found Ground Source Pro. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I can analyze the backlink profile of a particular website, and it's telling me that landing page only. So the hardscaping landing page of Ground Source has 2 external websites with 2 backlinks directing traffic towards their website. And that's exactly what a backlink is. It's a link in a different website that is directing traffic towards that particular website. Now, these guys, Royal Landscape Nursery, they have 4 backlinks in 3 external websites. But see how they are ranking at the top? And that's because the parent domain is passing on some power to them, because there's a number of different factors. But basically, the message here is that this is one of the mechanisms that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones when someone performs a search in Google, because Google wants to rank those websites and wants to provide the most relevant results to its users. So it's always a good idea to build that backlink profile by having those links in websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can give you and can start regarding you as an authority in that particular topic. Now, the other section is the organic keywords. So Ground Source is being found for 6 organic keywords. So that landing page only. Well, actually, the whole website, the parent domain, they have 847 external websites with 2,560 backlinks. So they have a strong backlink profile. And the whole website is found for 3,900 keywords. But what I wanted to show you for the sake of this example is hardscape in Orlando. These are the keywords that they are being found for. The volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position that particular website is appearing for those particular keywords. So you can see that Hardscape Orlando is searched for 100 times per month, and because they're in the second position, they were able to drive 14 visits. Hardscape in Orlando, on the other hand, has a search volume of 80, but because and it's less than 100, but because they're in the first position, they were able to drive 30 visits to its website. So basically the message here is you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because you want to throw them in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those keywords. And then by building your backlink profile, you will rank at the top, outrank your competitors, and then you will be able to drive that traffic to your website. And that means that a percentage of those potential customers are going to reach out to you, another percentage you will be able to convert into customers, and that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information, and also please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.